Amazing viewers.
Welcome to Korean Moonlight. Let's explore the remarkable career of Kim Yoo-young, South Korea's beloved star who grew up on screen. Kim Yoo-young began her acting journey at just 4 years old, debuting in the 2003 military drama DMZ. She later appeared in Park Chan-wook's Sympathy for Lady Vengeance, 2005, a film that premiered at the Venice Film Festival. By age 9, she was already a prolific child actress, earning her first award at the 2008 SBS Drama Awards for Iljami. Her breakthrough as a lead came in 2010 with the fantasy drama The Grudge, Curse of the White People, where she won Best Young Actress. By 5th grade, she had starred in 13 dramas and 15 films, showcasing her versatility. A standout role came in Thread of Lies, 2014, where her portrayal of a troubled teen earned critical praise. In 2015, she tackled darker themes in Angry Mom, playing the rebellious daughter of a mother fighting school corruption. By 2016, she transitioned to adult roles, starring in the global phenomenon Love in the Moonlight. Her performance as a cross-dressing scholar earned her 5 awards and the title Perfection from critics. She continued her success with Clean with Passion for Now, 2018, a rom-com about a cleaning company, and Backstreet Rookie, 2020, opposite Ji Chang-wook. Despite high ratings, the latter faced controversy for mature content, sparking record viewer complaints. In 2021, she starred in the delayed horror film The Eighth Night, praised for her haunting performance. Co-star Nam Do-ryun, also a former child actor, admired her ability to convey emotions with just a glance. Thanks for watching Korean Moonlight. If you enjoyed Kim Yoo-young's journey from child star to leading lady, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more K-drama insights. Stay tuned for our next video.